wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding knives. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the serrated teeth on the Blademate Tactical make it as suitable for sawing as for slicing, so campers will want to keep it close by when building a fire or cleaning a fish. The vibrantly colored tip gives it a little bit of personality to match its strong performance. It's a good choice for bug-out bags and ideal for first responders. However, it isn't the very sharpest option. At number 9, the zero-tolerance tiger stripe looks unlike any other cutter you've ever owned, and it can outperform most of them as well. It opens quickly and easily regardless of whether you're right or left-handed, ensuring that it's as convenient as it is attractive. This one's good for cutting leather and comes with jimping on the handle for a better grip, but it takes a long time to sharpen. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the ckrt Squid is a high-carbon stainless steel blade and little more. It doesn't have a bottle opener, screwdriver, miniature umbrella or any of the other bells and whistles you'll find on some other options, but it's so sharp you won't miss any of that stuff. It's a good budget selection that weighs just over 3 ounces. However, it is difficult to open quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, you'll be surprised at the level of versatile performance the Spyderco Delica 4 gives you, especially considering it's extremely lightweight. It's ideal for everyday carrying, but can more than hold its own in a hunting blind or at a campsite. This one's easy to resharpen and its thumb hole is ambidextrous, but the blade has a little bit of play in it. Moving up our list to number 6, the attached lanyard on the Ontario Joe Pardue Utiliac 8904 allows you to slip it over your wrist while you're out hunting, so you can be sure it'll still be there when you need it, even if you've been running across rugged terrain chasing game. It slices through wood well and boasts a smooth unfolding action. However, it is a little on the heavy side. Halfway up our list at number 5, the last thing you want when you're messing with a sharp object is a slippery handle, and the grip on the Gerber gator is textured to ensure that it stays put while you're using it. It's well balanced to boot, so you can use it all day without getting tired. It holds an edge well and is a good choice for fishermen, but it is difficult to open one-handed. At number 4, if you don't want to announce to the world that you're carrying a blade, the woobud pocket is a discreet selection that slips easily into your pocket with minimal bulging. Plus, if you're scared it might get lost, it even has a loop on the end for attaching a keychain. This one's good for cutting fruit or cheese and is an excellent fit for smaller hands. It features an attractive ripple pattern on the steel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, dedicated outdoorsy types will want the Columbia River M1604S clipped to their belts. It's a heavy-duty option with a sturdy Zytel handle and a stainless steel blade that makes quick work of rope and even kindling, and the bright orange color ensures it's hard to lose. This one's good for large hands and includes an integrated seat belt cutter and a window breaker on the base. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, sometimes you need something sharp in a hurry, and for those moments, there's the Kershaw S30V Blur. The speed assist opening ensures it extends in a flash, and the thumb stud allows you to unlock it with only one hand, so you can have the other one free. This one's great at slicing through zip ties, and is equipped with a handy pocket clip and a rugged stone-washed blade. And taking the top spot on our list, when you imagine a folding knife in your head, the Buck Knives 110 is probably the image that pops up first. It has a classic walnut handle with a nail notch in the blade, so you can get it open quickly without having to worry about it springing free in your pocket. It features a firm locking action and a hefty and durable construction. It ships with a leather sheath. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for folding knives, or simply click beneath this video.